I taught online this summer and I found that parent communication is more important than ever. So normally when I'm going to talk to a parent, I might go to the office and make a phone call. Of course, I'll use all the other apps that they have, ClassDojo, Google Classroom, but sometimes you need to make that phone call or text parents. And you just can't do that during this time when we're working from home. If you use your personal phone number, you might end up with parents calling you at late hours in the night expecting a return phone call, or you might end up with a lot of texts on your personal number, and this is not a good idea to give that out. So what I do is I use Google Voice. Google Voice is a free application that allows you to get a virtual phone number. I call parents using my Google Voice number. Parents can call me back using that same number, and if I set it to forward to my phone, the call will forward to my phone and I can answer it knowing that it's coming from the Google Voice number that a parent is calling. If I decide that I'm not working those hours, maybe it's dinner time or something, I can have it automatically go to a message. I also use Google Voice for texting parents. This way I'm not giving out my phone number again. It's a wonderful tool on a number of levels. So if you're texting parents, you can do this straight from your computer. A lot of times I'll be doing my lesson plans and a text message will come in and I simply go to voice.google.com and I can text parents back using the keyboard. It makes it really, really easy to respond to parents when you have a full keyboard there. Also, I've gotten texts come in Spanish, and in that case, I'll use Google Translate right there from my computer, kind of try to figure out what's being said, and I can use Google Translate to translate back, or I can contact one of my fellow educators and ask them to translate a message for me. So as you can see here, using Google Voice is pretty straightforward. You have a list of all the messages that you've sent in the past off to your left. You can easily click the send new message button and type in whatever you want to whomever you want. On the right hand side, you put in the phone number that you're going to want to call and you push the phone button and it calls them right there and then. And if you're on the computer when you do this, it'll use your microphone and your speakers to be able to conduct the phone call. Normally where it says call as, it'll have your phone number. In this case, I erased that for privacy purposes. Also under suggestions, it'll have everybody's phone number there, and on the message side, I went ahead and erased that so that I'm not giving away everybody's phone number. But Google Voice is very straightforward, easy to use, and I highly recommend it.